The Breps is happy. It's my birthday. We're in the Shasta mountain area, and we just almost drove off a pirate's plank.
Very exciting.
That's what it looked like. And then it went from paved to kathunk off-roading. And this van is a house, and it's rear-wheel drive, and it's real low to the ground, so that was not cool. But we're gonna go on a hike and see if we can fly the drone somewhere close to the big-ass mountain. Parkour!
Shut up.
Skye Walker is a muralist who usually lives in the same town as us, Encinitas, California. For the last year, though, he's been driving around in a 144 Sprinter, painting murals all over the country on his Sea-to-Sea mural tour. So we met up with him in his hometown of Corvallis to record an episode of the podcast and tour his van.
Welcome to VanGo.
I knew somebody had that name somewhere in the world.
Well, my sister Amaris came up with it, so this is it. This is my home. This is my refrigerator right here. This is a ARB, I can't remember how big, 37 gallons, something like that. My Goal Zero Yeti lithium-ion battery for charging stuff. I've got a Goal Zero Yeti lithium-ion battery to charge all my knickknacks and cameras and all that stuff. And then I've got 2 solar panels. One solar panel powers all my LED lights, my fridge, my water pump, and one other thing. And then the Yeti lithium-ion battery is powered by the other Goal Zero.
Oh, interesting. So you got 2 separate systems.
2 separate systems. So because the Goal Zero is nice because I can pull it out when I'm doing murals if I need electricity for a projection in a random place, or if I just need to plug in and use music or whatever, I can pull it out. It doesn't stay in the van. That's been really a nice addition. My sink, which is full of lights and speakers and stuff. My 2920 mattress, which I get a piece of wood that goes to here, and then this panel comes down and it becomes fully sleepable. I just installed this sweet little table.
That's cool. Yeah, those are great.
Sit down and do a little work, because
computering.
Yeah, little computering. And then all this beautiful woodworking by my boy Joey. I've got all the lights, all the things.
I like that you painted the rim of your fan blue.
Oh yeah,
that's cool.
Super pretty.
Yeah, so that color is called malachite, and it's my favorite color. And it ties in nicely with kind of like the seafoam green that's going on.
Yeah.
This is a photo of my parents when they were traveling and touring.
Aww.
That's the camper my dad built for their truck, which he hand built in Canada.
Wow.
Which is pretty awesome. We got blenders. Sorry.
Falling out.
On cue.
Parked at an angle here. Blenders and all that kind of fun stuff in here. And, you know, I got a stove in here, propane in the back. And, yeah, I got a magnet over here. I'll put my iPad up when I want to crash out and watch something.
Cool.
Oh, that's smart.
So this is a piece of art by my friend Eric Abel. A couple of fun postcards. This is a laser cut print by my friend Jeremy Collins. This is one of the last paintings my grandmother painted before she passed. She was 103.
No way.
She passed in December, but Mamu was her name, and had to put that up in here. I need more art, but I didn't want it to be too overwhelming.
Sure.
But
You got the Suga Micro mat.
hey,
Super cute.
The mini mat.
all the time. I probably need a new one because that one's destroyed, but yeah. I
Did
love
you
that
yoga on this
Make
guy?
him give one
Not
of
on that one. I got my yoga mat right here.
Yeah.
Tell Brian we need one of these. This would be fun.
Yeah, you need the little guy. This is the garage where I store all my paints and stuff like that. I didn't want to sticker these up, but I started stickering the inside, and this is fun because it's kind of an amalgamation of where I've been.
Cool.
It's fun to look at those places and you know, be reminded. But this is where I store all the smelly paints and stuff. My favorite van life accessory is my LED solar powered $6 light to light my license plate. I drove for 9 months without it because this covered it up.
Yeah.
And that was fun. Found that on Amazon. Thanks, Jeff Bezos. All right, so my garage is a bit of a mess. And
What garage isn't?
these pins are awesome, but they're steel, so they expand with heat. So sometimes they don't want to open. So I apologize for the mess, but this is what's going on back here.
Bike right there.
So, you know, got like day packs and mountain bike gear, got yerba mate, got more paint in here. I've actually got 2 bags of spray paint. And yeah, I'm in the middle of reorganizing for the next part of the journey to finish, but just haven't...
That's cool. It's high enough that you can put your bike in and only take the front wheel off.
Yeah.
Do you have to lower the seat?
Yeah, I just lower the seat, but then I extend it so it keeps it from wobbling.
Yeah, cool.
So yeah.
That's rad.
Got some fun lights here to illuminate when I need to see what I'm doing. Thanks, Joey.
Hey, spin.
And that's my garage.
Rad. Cool. Thanks.
Yeah.
Noise!